Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss the case of income tax officer versus MANASA medicals. This case has been reported in 100 ITAT Tribunal short notes, page number 5, and the matter has been decided by Bangalore ITAT A bench, and the assessment year is 1718. Assessment year 1718 was the year of demonetization. The logic of discussing this case is twofold. The first is that this is the case of demonetization. The second is that in spite of being a case of demonetization and against the assessee, the learned CIT appeal gave relief to the assessee. The facts of the case is like this. The assessee is running a medical shop, that is a chemist shop. During the demonetization period, there was huge sales. The assessee deposited this cash into the bank account of the assessee, due to which the scrutiny assessment of the assessee was going on. Before proceeding further, it is important that when the demonetization happened, there were some categories which were exempt from accepting the specified banknotes. That is the old currency of rupees 500 and rupees 100. For example, petrol pumps, hospitals, medical shops, etc. As all we know that in medical shops nowadays, not only the medicines are sold, but a lot of toiletry products like shampoos, creams, beauty products are also sold. So it was very difficult for the chemist shop at that particular time of demonetization, that if some customer is going to purchase some things, then he will say that I will not take the old currency for these cosmetics products, and I will take these cash only for the medicines. So it may happen that all the medical shops have sold these products also in a very handsome quantity. During the assessment proceedings, the assessee produced its books of accounts, all VAT returns, and especially all the details which was asked in the specified format during the assessment proceedings. We all know that in the assessment proceedings of demonetization period, one table was given in which the different type of permutation and combinations were there for asking the cash deposits. For example, cash deposited during the demonetization period and the corresponding period in the previous year. So the assessee has provided all the details. And more interestingly, during the assessment proceedings, the assessing officer accepted that whatever the sales are there, in that sales, all that cash which has been received during the demonetization period has been included into that sale. Or in other words, we can say that the learned assessing officer didn't challenge the sales made by the assessee into the profit and loss account. The main apprehension of the assessing officer in making the addition for the cash deposit during the demonetization period was that the chemist shop has not obtained the doctor's prescription and the identity of the persons who have come to purchase the medicines by paying the cash. So the moot question before the learned CIT appeal was that whether it was the requirement for the medical shops to obtain the doctor's prescription and the identity of the persons who are going to purchase the medicines in cash. So the CIT appeal gave relief to the assessee. After that, the learned assessing officer appealed against the order of the CIT appeal to the ITAT, and ITAT also held that there is no specific requirement in any notification circular either by the Income Tax Department or by the Reserve Bank of India that the medical shops have to obtain the medical prescription of the doctors before selling the goods or before selling the medicines in cash in the specified banknotes, that is in the old currency. So the ITAT upheld the order of the learned CIT appeal and held that Since the assessing officer has not challenged the sales made by the assessee, so in the present facts and circumstances of the case, the additions made by the learned assessing officer are not valid. Friends, at the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Income Tax Officer versus MANASA Medicals. And this case has been reported in 100 ITAT Tribunal, short notes 5, and the matter has been decided by Bangalore ITAT A bench. Thank you, friends.